Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then hello, my name is Desiree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this peachy orange eyeshadow look. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be going in with my BeBella palette, and this is the B35G palette, and I'm going to be grabbing those two colors, mixing them together and applying this right in the middle of my crease, and this is going to serve as my transition color. And it's just going to make all the other eyeshadows blend in easier. And now I'm going to be grabbing that almost auburn color and applying it right underneath where I just applied those two colors with a smaller blending brush. And I kind of like to map it out and just dab it on to where I want it, and then I like to smooth everything out, just blend it in. And so I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other eye, of course. I'm just doing one eye on camera. And next I'm going to be grabbing this orange color. It's really pretty and pigmented, almost like a brick color. And I'm going to be applying it right on top of the auburn color I had just applied earlier. And I'm going to be patting it on, but as you can see, I am leaving the space clear right in the middle of my eye because we're going to be applying a shimmery eyeshadow there just to give it some dimension. So for now I'm kind of doing a halo eye. And so yeah, I'm just packing on that color because I really want it to stand out, and I'm not blending it so much now. Like I said, I like to map out my stuff. So before I move on, I'm going in with that same color and applying it right underneath my waterline just to bring this whole look together. And I really love how eyeshadow looks underneath the waterline. Just feel like it brings everything together and makes the eye really stand out. And so now I'm going to be filling in that part with this really pretty shimmery peachy eyeshadow, and this is really just going to give the eye some dimension. And so I'm applying it right there in the clear space that we had, just packing it on. And now I'm going to be going in with some black eyeliner and just apply it right on my waterline and on the top of my waterline. And then I'm going to be going in with my Clinique liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to be outlining my eye, getting it ready for the lashes. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to be prepping my lashes, putting some mascara top and bottom. And I'm going to be using these eyelashes. They're from Koko in the style Queen Bee. So I've already gone ahead and popped those on, and now I'm going to be going back in and blending everything together. Since I didn't do that, I just moved on to the halo eye. So yeah, here I am blending everything together, and it's really easy and simple, you guys, and it looks really good. For my lips, I just applied some chapstick that I already had on since it already looked peachy, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.